This recipe uses fresh strawberries, but other soft fruit like raspberries, blackberries or blueberries would all work well. Powdered egg white is a good alternative if you are worried about eating uncooked eggs. It is available in most supermarkets and is usually found around the baking section. Follow the proportions given on the packet, but start by mixing a little water into the egg white mixture to form a smooth paste without lumps, before gradually adding more water. Once prepared, the egg white mixture is then whisked the same way as fresh egg whites until soft peaks form. At this stage, add the sugar a little at a time, stirring along the way. This helps stiffen the mixture. To prepare the whipping cream, add the cream to a clean bowl and whip it slowly until it starts to thicken. The strawberries need to be blended to a smooth paste. I used an electric chopper to do this. After a few seconds, the paste is ready. The whipped cream is added to the egg whites and stirred in gently using a wooden spoon, trying to keep as much air in the mixture as possible. Next, add the blended strawberries. This is my favourite part of the recipe as the mixture takes on a lovely, enticing to eat, pink colour. Finish by decanting the mousse into glasses. I think the mousse is best served after a period of at least an hour in the fridge. The cold helps the mousse to thicken. Enjoy! Hello, I'm Liam and this is a short introduction to say this is a recipe from the Home Coffee Shop collection. You can see the full ingredients and all my other recipes on my website. See the link below the video. The recipes are ideal for anyone looking to find enjoyable ways to eat more nutritious food, whether for yourself or your family. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. After subscribing, click the bell to ensure you are notified every time a new video is added.